Hylands for Kids homeopathic medicines work with microdoses of active ingredients for fast relief, calling upon the body's natural ability to heal itself. Cold and Cough uses safe, natural ingredients to relieve congestion and runny nose, soothe sore throats, and stop their cough, so your kid can get back to feeling great.
Always read and follow label directions. The uses for this homeopathic product are based on traditional homeopathic practice. They have not been reviewed by the Food and Drug Administration.